Music. Is Booknetic the right booking platform for you? Let's find out. In this video, we're exploring Booknetic, an advanced booking platform designed to simplify appointment scheduling. Check the description for product links. Booknetic is a powerful solution built for service businesses like salons, clinics, fitness centers, and consultants. Its highly customizable features cater to both small businesses and large enterprises. Seamless WordPress integration makes setup easy, even without technical expertise. Booknetic's user-friendly interface lets clients book appointments directly from your website, choosing services, staff, and available time slots. It even supports group bookings, perfect for fitness classes or group therapy. Business owners gain flexible scheduling tools to set work hours, holidays, and breaks for each staff member. Automated reminders for clients and staff reduce no-shows and improve appointment management. Booknetic's built-in payment gateway allows direct payment at booking, streamlining the whole process. Robust reporting and analytics tools track appointments, revenue, and client demographics to inform your business decisions. Need more? Booknetic integrates with tools like Zoom for virtual appointments and Google Calendar for schedule syncing. Booknetic is a feature-packed, scalable, and customizable platform perfect for service-based businesses. Whether you run a small clinic or a busy salon, Booknetic's flexibility and ease of use make it a great option. See the description for more details. Thanks for watching.